We got Vicious by Nature, most of it. Judges left warming up. On the right, we got the down-ass dads. Yo, how high are your socks, fool? Damn, they came correct. Woo! Panic's got that heat on deck. Yo, who's ready? 2 rounds each person, 6 rounds aside. Who's ready to see the semifinal? And then time for a break, and then go out. All right, Panic, you got it. 2 rounds each person, 6 rounds aside. Third to last battle. Serious beats only. Don't waste this beat. CDN out there first. Fresco and Daft, take a step back, please. Fresco and Daft, take a step back, please. The lyrics. That's Europe, I think. Throw it. Off the dome. is going to be Judges 1, Judges 2, Judges 3. We got Vicious moving on to the finals. In the final,